Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to learn words instead of using very in our sentences. Very simple. You can use basic. Instead of saying very shy, we can say timid. Instead of very sharp, keen. Instead of very open, transparent. Instead of very poor, we can use destitute. Very quiet, hushed. Very rich, wealthy. Very rainy, pouring. Very painful, excruciating. Instead of very old, we can use ancient. Instead of very perfect, flawless. Instead of very scared, petrified. Very serious, grave. Very shiny, gleaming. Very bad, awful. Very cold, freezing. Very clear, obvious. Very tight, constricting. Very hungry, starving. Instead of very nice, we can use kind. Instead of very evil, we can use wicked. And finally, instead of very friendly, we can use amiable. Hope this helps. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe.